No matter what business you are in, creating a positive first impression is crucial to a company's success. Receptionists often find themselves as the first contact that a visitor or important potential client has with a company. So if you're interested in this career, you must be a courteous person who can make others feel welcome. Communicating clearly and using a computer efficiently are valuable attributes, since tasks can include answering multiple phone lines, word processing or typing, and faxing documents. Because they deal directly with the public, receptionists must have a neat appearance, as well as the temperament to deal with difficult customers and hectic workdays. Fluency in the English language is essential, while the ability to speak a second language is often quite beneficial. If you enjoy meeting and greeting new people, a career in either of these professions may be just what you're looking for.